I myself am strange and unusual. Hey guys, it's Shirley aka Shirleydocious, and today's video is going to be a little bit different because instead of singing, I'm going to show you how I did my makeup for my last video, which is a cover of Dead Mom from the musical Beetlejuice. And this is the makeup from the Broadway musical, not from the movie. So, just so you know, basically I'm going to recreate this look and I'm going to show you how. So stick around if you want to know. I also forgot my highlighter, so I'm going to grab that real quick. It's like the only thing I forgot. Of course. I need a little help here. Anyway, I'm not going to do my face makeup because I never really wear foundation or anything, so I'm not going to do foundation or contour. I am going to use highlighter, but I'm going to use it as a blush, if that makes sense, because Lydia just has very pale cheeks. So basically I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to start with the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro Remix palette from Tarte, which smells like chocolate. It smells delicious. I wish you could smell this. Let's get rid of the foil for a second. So basically I'm going to be using this silver color together on my eyelid, and then this darker, also silver, kind of gray color for my crease, and that's where I'm going to start. I'm also not a makeup artist, so if you cringe at anything I do, I'm sorry, this is not my job. So when you've done that light silver color, which is called Flow, by the way, you're going in with the darker color, which is called DIY. Which is, as you can see, a lot darker. And you're going completely, you're not going too high, but you are going entirely to the inside of your eye thing, eyelids. Just to give your eye a little bit of a sunken in look. Because Lydia may be a child, but she's also very sad. Who wouldn't be if you just lost your mom, like seriously? Also, it's still like a Tim Burton kind of character, and they kind of always have sunken in eyes. So, when you've done that, you're going to do something which you normally, I think, would never do. Which is, you're going to use a red color. I'm using Graffiti. And you're going to use that underneath your eye. So, yeah. It basically helps with like the sunken in eyes, like the crying a lot. Basically, you're going to do that. So you're grabbing a bit of that red and you're going to put it underneath your eye. Make sure it's visible right here, because this is the color, this is the piece where it's going to stay red. Over this part of your eye, you're still going to put a little black later. Also something you would never do unless you're cosplaying anxiety.
Here?
So I have done it before. So once it looks like you're tired and you want to cry, you're going to use black, and you're going to use that right here, and you're going to work that up a little bit into the gray on top. And the black color on this palette is called Ink. I'm grabbing a bit much, so this is going to be something. Just very carefully. Not even till the middle, like just like a quarter, maybe a little more, 1/3 of the under eye, and you're going to work that into the dark gray and the light gray on your lid. Hi! I'm probably talking to myself here. Okay, sorry for the quick interruption, but my mom got home and I also got this adorable thing delivered. Like it's a little spider, and the fun thing is you can turn it inside out and now it's a happy spider. I'm such a child. My mom also said like, yeah, it's cute, but you're 22. And while I agree with her, it also just reminded me of anxiety again.
Here?
I don't know why he keeps popping up in this video, but if you watch Genocide, you know what I mean. But this is just, it's such a cutie, and I wish I could put him somewhere, but actually what's behind me is a green screen, so I can't. But I was doing the eyes, and I'm actually finished with the eyes, except for mascara. So I'm just going to quickly apply that in the mirror of my eyeshadow and not in the mirror of my camera, because this just works way better. You could go with false lashes for this, but I wouldn't recommend it because Lydia is literally a child. So she really doesn't have that big lashes. She also doesn't have them on Broadway, but if you want to go all out, go all out. Who am I to stop you? Now, with the lashes done, we're going on with the highlighter, which is basically just going to be a blush that you're going to apply on your cheeks, all over them, like crazy. Lydia has very pale skin and very pale shimmery cheeks. So I'm basically just going to grab this very cheap Revolution highlighter, which is a white with gold shimmer in it. And I'm just going to use the completely wrong kind of brush for this and just do the apples of my cheeks and work it up to create a Broadway shine on those cheeks, people. Do I sound like a crazy person doing this? Yes. That's why I don't do makeup tutorials, because I can't shut my mouth. So now this is very shiny. We are going to do the lips, and for the lips I'm going to use 2 colors of lipstick because I didn't have the right one. So first I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour lipstick. We're not going to test that. In the color, doesn't say. Really? Oh, here. Violet. I think it says Violet Perfect. Yeah, 209. It says it very small. And we're going to use this as a base because this is a liquid lipstick, and the other lipstick I have is a normal lipstick, and if I don't use this one first, then, well, it's gonna look ridiculous and you can only see this one basically. Oh, I'm gonna need my mirror again for this. Now this liquid lipstick is so easy to apply. It's very easy. It is very watery though. So now it's purple, but Lydia's lipstick is a little bit more like a wine color. And I looked everywhere. I went out in the rain to buy a wine color lipstick and I could only find purples or reds or pinks, but nothing like a purplish red. So maybe that's just not in right now. It's getting very sticky now. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and then I'm going over it with this very bright red. But as you can see, together they make a wine red color. Ooh. So this is my Lydia look, and now to finish it up, you're going to get your hair out of a bun, and my hair looks terrible. It doesn't look that bad. It looks great. And you're going to get your wig on, because, well, unless you already have like short black hair, because then I don't see why you would need a wig. Also, this wig cap is kind of broken, so I might need to do this a couple of times. I'm a bunch of broken pieces. And you grab your black wig. And actually put it on. And where the fuck are my bangs? Sorry? Language. And then your clock makes a noise. And ta-da! You're Lydia! Now, I just want to tell, does it look like that? I mean, it does, right? So, me and my little spider buddy, who was mad for some reason, just because the black fits better with the rest of my outfit. We're going to say goodbye now, because this was it. And if you want to see more using this look, I've actually done a video, like I said before. I think I said before. Grown-ups wanna fix things when they can, it only fills them with shame. So they just look away. Is it being greedy to need somebody to see me and say my name?